What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and today I'm here to show y'all something really cool. Now, this is not from some big company or anything like that. It's not something you've looked at before and you thought, man, I just, I decided I don't want it, Zach. So please stop pushing it down my throat. Okay, enough with all the expensive things. Well, guess what? I just got me something that I got to show y'all. It's not that much more than the high grade stuff that you find like on Amazon. And it's not as much as some of I want to show y'all my new burger press. Rocking the Twin States welded carbon steel, Mississippi, Alabama Roll Tide, right down there on the Gulf, baby. Heat resistant handle. Y'all have seen these on grills, on nicer grills. We've got a perfectly flat carbon steel surface with which to smash burgers. I don't know if y'all can tell I'm excited about this one, but I am. You can order what they've got. If you're from Texas, you can save yourself 10 bucks, 45 bucks. If you want a customizable one, the one like I've got, dude, just tell them 10 extra bucks. Maybe they can put your initials or the state that you're from, whatever. But look at this thing. Look at the welds. Just come here. Look at the welds. The welds are so smooth. Very nice. Look at the solidness of this. This thing is a weapon. We should give these to police officers. You punch somebody in the nose with this, or in the chest, get them across the shoulder, you're gonna knock them down. You're gonna knock them down. Carbon steel. Y'all can look forward to a how to season this thing, or season your carbon steel or your carbon steel pans. We're just gonna do a me seasoning it video. I'm gonna show y'all how it's done. Small company out of Texas. As far as I know, it's a father and a son. I think the father does most of the welding. I haven't looked into it deeply because I've just been so excited since I got this thing. It's so cool, and they're so professional, respond to you quick, get back to you quick. Awesome. A lot of times you get something offline, and when you get it, y'all saw my video on this. This is like one of my favorite things. I got this knife thinking it was gonna be okay, and I have loved every minute of having this knife. This is my new thing. This is my new favorite thing. I cannot wait to smash a burger with it. That's coming up. Anyway, I just wanted to share with y'all. Y'all check out www.royalbbqfabrication.com. Check them out. If you've been thinking about getting a cool burger press, you found it. You have found it. There's nothing cooler out there. Look, if you follow my community tab on YouTube, you know that I put out a broadcast and I was looking for one. Does anybody know a cool one? And a lot of people recommended some. This thing shines up on the peak, looking down upon the rest. The king. Y'all check it out. Let me know what you think. Ask questions if I didn't address something. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. See y'all in the next video.